So I've been really doing a lot of research, looking into institutions, and they're really trying to figure out how to harness specific bacteriums for biochar, especially how they're looking into like water retention microbes, all kinds of microbes that assist the root structure and rhizosphere and help transfer nutrients. And that's great and all. Isolation's cool. I don't have an issue with isolating certain strains and doing that, but we gotta understand nature is a combination of these things. So if you try to isolate something, how do you not know that that growth needs to be governed or something by another microbe or another fungi? So the best way, I think, to grow a soil would just to let nature do what it does. So we give the ground what it needs, right? As long as it's not damaged. If we're dealing with damaged places, then we might need to go take the biology from the healthy location, maybe that's like a mile away, and then reincorporate that back into an area that's distressed. How do we identify healthy conditions? Well, it's simple. We all know what good soil looks like. We all know what a healthy ecosystem looks like. There's no diseases, things are lush, there's bug life, there's bird life, there's squirrels, there's that's when it's a good ecosystem. Obviously you can just see these things, you know that intuitively, especially if you walk into an old grove. You can sense it, you can sense the feeling of the growth. That's why people love going to old growths, and it's a sad event that most of them got cut down. Now I digress. So where was I? So isolating specific strains, it doesn't make sense. So if you're a scientist and that's what you're doing, that's cool, that's your thing, like, I understand it, but I'm just letting you know, nature's not like, oh, I need this one microbe is going to make all this like better. No, it's like we need, think about it, a tablespoon of topsoil has about 6 million microorganisms in there. Okay, so you're making one. Okay. All right. Have fun with your one strain. I don't. That's why. Okay, we're going at the mycelchar is a conglomeration of, fermented in the lactobacillus serum, ferments. Like we're fermenting things or scrubbing them clean, and then we're loading biochar. So we're creating a really hyper environment for really beneficial plant microbes to thrive in. So if there are pathogens, we're gonna, even if this pathogen is pre-existing in the soil, adding this medium will create a better soil for you in the long run. So it's pretty amazing. And if you don't believe me, put it to the test.